Well, right now, 5:54 as we look outside here from the Bayfront Inn down in Naples. You see some clouds. That's because we've got a cold front that's beginning to move through southwest Florida. We've been talking about it all week long, this window between 5 and 8 o'clock for a broken line of showers to move through. This is all that is left of that line as it continues to drift off towards the southeast. We've had some pretty decent rain in DeSoto County. Now all that is left of that is moving north of 70. So downtown Arcadia, you're clear now. And as we move into Charlotte County, a few showers still between 75 and Babcock Ranch there along 31. Some of those there right there near the bridges near North Fort Myers and Sanibel right there near Bowman's Beach. We're picking up some showers as well. And as these continue to approach Palmdale and LaBelle throughout the night, they'll break apart. By the time we get towards 8, this line is pretty much gone. And then overnight, we'll go partly cloudy to mostly clear for tomorrow morning. Our temperatures today climbed up to 83 degrees, well above our average of 75. Matter of fact, we're still sitting well above our average here as we approach the 6 o'clock hour. And it's still very humid. Those dew point values upper 60s to around 70. It's sticky outside, but that is all going to change here as our winds are going to shift. They've been out of the south today. They're going to flip out of the north for tomorrow, and it'll be near 10 miles per hour. You see the winds staying 5 to 10 through the overnight hours before doing that 180. And that's going to bring in some drier air. We're going to see a cool start tomorrow, maybe a few clouds around sunrise, and then we're going to be sunny and cool in the afternoon with a high temperature right around 74. By sunset, we'll get there around 70, and we'll have our coolest morning on Saturday. You can see the almanac. We were 3 shy of a record today, which is 86 going back to 1947. Average low on this date is actually down now to 54. All the cool air on the map is north of the Ohio River Valley here, where you get the freezing mark between Omaha and Chicago. 50s from Dallas all the way over towards Atlanta. And this cold front, as it loses its punch here, will kick us back down to average for at least a day before we start to warm up. Now off to the north, you see some cold rain for parts of Ohio and even turned over to snow again between Green Bay, Chicago, and Minneapolis. And as this front moves through for us, the way it plays out, we're going to keep those showers through 8. Then overnight, all the rain moves over to the east coast, and we'll see just a few clouds there by the early morning hours. Lots of sunshine here Friday, dry. And then on Saturday, with the northeasterly breeze, we begin to warm up. Just to give you a little closer look at it, you can see the showers exiting the area between 8 and midnight. And then our skies really clearing out here for Friday morning. And by the afternoon, it's all sunshine with that wind staying out of the north. Now, we've got a couple of cool spells here in the upper levels. You see the first dip in the jet stream here to wrap up the work week. We should get a reinforcing shot here around the 11th and 12th. You see some of that cooler air diving. That will bring us a chance of a shower or two Tuesday night into Wednesday. And then yet another dip in the jet stream here for the 14th and 15th. So it looks like we'll see a little bit of cooler weather here after a very warm start to the new year. Inman Marine forecast, those winds north 10 to 15. Water temperature of last report at Fort Myers Beach was at 73. Your 7-day forecast shows temperatures warming right back up. We'll be above our average of 75 starting Saturday. Will be nice, though. That drop in humidity will feel quite pleasant compared to the last few humid days. 5:57 is the time. We'll be right back.